Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ DBMS డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టంలోని మరికొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్. First bit. Cascading rollbacks can be avoided by using option A, validation protocol, option B, timestamped based protocol, option C, transaction protocol, option D, none of the above. Answer chesi option A, validation protocol. Second bit. To ensure that the system will never enter a deadlock, we can use dash. Option A, deadlock prevention protocol. Option B, Boise coded normal protocol. Option C, time-stamped transaction. Option D, validation protocol. Answer chesi option A, deadlock prevention protocol. Third bit. A directed graph which presents the deadlock is called option A, wait for graph, option B, cyclic graph, option C, deadlock graph, option D, deadlock detection graph. Answer chesi option A, wait for graph. Fourth bit. The operation of relation X produce Y such that Y contains only selected attributes of X. Such an operation is dash. Option A, projection. Option B, intersection. Option C, union. Option D, difference. Answer chesi option A, projection. Fifth bit. Complex entities can be constructed using the following operation. Option A, sum. Option B, aggregation. Option C, union. Option D, collection. Answer chesi option B, aggregation. Sixth bit. The maximum height of a B plus tree of order n with k keys value is option A, log n by 2 of k by 2 plus 1. Option B, n plus k by 2. Option C, log nk. Option D, log k by 2n. Answer chesi log n by 2 of k by 2 plus 1. Seventh bit. The following entities attributes in a relation database should not have null values. Option A, keys. Option B, relations. Option C, variables. Option D, none of this. Answer chesi option A, keys. Eighth bit. Insertion of data into a B tree may cause leaves and internal nodes to option A, split. Option B, be deleted. Option C, maintain the same order. Option D, none of this. Answer chesi option A, split. Ninth bit. A view of a database that appears to an application program is known as dash. Option A, report. Option B, structure. Option C, subscheme. Option D, scheme. Answer chesi option C, subscheme. 10th bit. This may be regarded as metadata. Option A, ER diagram. Option B, table. Option C, data dictionary. Option D, view of the database. Answer chesi option C, data dictionary. 11th bit. The two-phase commit protocol may introduce option A, starving. Option B, deadlock. Option C, blocking. Option D, none of this. Answer chesi option A, starving. 12th bit. The two-phase commit protocol is resized to option A, deadlock. Option B, sheet and link failures. ఆప్షన్ సి డిపెండెన్సీ, ఆప్షన్ డి స్టార్వింగ్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి డిపెండెన్సీస్. 13th bit. A block that is not permitted to be written back to disk is called dash. Option A deadlock, option B read only, option C pinned, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option C pinned. 14th bit. In a relation data mode, the columns of a table are called option A fields, option B attributes, option C records, option D entities. Answer వచ్చేసి option B attributes. 15th bit. A multi-level indexing may lead to option A B tree, option B deadlock, option C binary tree, option D transaction failure. Answer వచ్చేసి option A B tree. 16th bit. The primary key indexing technical does not allow option A set of relations, option B duplicate data in field, option C multi attributes, option D many to many relation. Answer వచ్చేసి option B duplicate data in field. 17th bit. All the objects created into a project are organized by the option A database manager, option B project manager, option C database administrator, option D sorting. Answer వచ్చేసి option B project manager. 18th bit. It is a scheme representing the design of a network database. Option A wait for graph, option B data structure diagram, option C entity relation diagram, option D network of records. Answer వచ్చేసి option A wait for graph. 19th bit. A data structure diagram of a network model is analogous. Option A relational table, option B entity relational diagram, option C B tree representation, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option B entities relation diagram. 20th bit. The first network database is option A DBTG COD ASYL, option B database 1, option C ingress, option D SAP. Answer వచ్చేసి option A DBTG COD ASYL. Thanks for watching.